Here's 405 South Main Avenue, or actually 401, 403, 405 is this whole building. The bottom right apartment, which is apartment 1, it's a private porch. Fresh paint in the whole place. It's a 1-bedroom unit. New floor. Electric stove, new electric stove. Big kitchen. New floor in the kitchen and bathroom. New toilet. New sink. New tub surround. And everything's all new and fresh. Except for the toilet, the tub at least. I don't know, you may like that yellow tub. Some people do. This is the living room. You just have vinyl floors, nice and clean and polished. Some patches. And here's one, it's like 4 rooms. You have a kitchen, a room, and a room. So this would be a living room. This could be a bedroom here. It's actually a 2-bedroom. And the doorway connected to 2 bedrooms. So you go out to the living room, nice big double closet. And another, fit a king-size bed in every bedroom. This bedroom as well. And you have his or her closet in here. So that goes back into the kitchen. Closet in here. And you have a closet here. So if you're interested in this property, just this 2-bedroom unit. Heat's included, water's included. You just have to pay electric for your lights and your stove. Interested, go to our website, parasoleproperties.com. Parasole properties, IES at the end.com. Submit an application on the homepage, and someone will get back to you at the next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. That's the old stove. We got a new one.